African forest elephants are the elusive cousin of the African savanna elephant. They inhabit the dense rainforests of West and Central Africa. Their preference for dense forest habitat prohibits traditional counting methods such as visual identification. Their population is usually estimated through dung counts and analysis on the ground of the density and distribution of the feces. African forest elephants are smaller than African savanna elephants, the other African elephant species. Their ears are more oval-shaped and their tusks are straighter and point downward. The tusks of savanna elephants curve outwards. There are also differences in the size and shape of the skull and skeleton. Forest elephants also have a much slower reproductive rate than savanna elephants, so they cannot bounce back from population declines as quickly at the same rate. Their last strongholds are located in Gabon and the Republic of Congo, with smaller populations remaining in other African countries, Cameroon, Central African Republic, Equatorial Guinea, and Côte d'Ivoire, Liberia, and Ghana in West Africa. African forest elephants live in family groups of up to 20 individuals and forage on leaves, grasses, seeds, fruit, and tree bark. Since the diet of forest elephants is dominated by fruit, they play a crucial role in dispersing many tree species, particularly the seeds of large trees which tend to have high carbon content. They are therefore referred to as the mega gardener of the forest. To supplement their diet with minerals, they gather at mineral-rich waterholes and mineral licks found throughout the forest. By meticulously documenting individual animal counts and strategically positioning camera traps, the research affirmed that certified concessions notably harbor a bigger population of large and threatened mammals, 2.7 times more for mammals over 220 pounds, such as gorillas and forest elephants. The conservation of these large mammals positively influences seed dispersal, nutrient cycling, and forest carbon storage in the area. For mammals 220 pounds, such as leopards and chimpanzees, numbers rose to 2.5 times more animals in FSC-certified forest concessions. And for smaller mammals, numbers were similar between FSC and non-FSC concessions. The new study is the first to compare so many different forest areas at the same time, using 474 camera traps across 14 logging concessions, half of which were FSC certified. The results align with previous research in the Peruvian Amazon, which found that it is possible to have production forestry coincide with biodiversity conservation if done in the right way and in the right places. It was a large and ambitious project that took 5 years and involved hundreds of local employees, said Utrecht University's Jerry Zwerts, who led the Congo Basin study. It was hard work, but the knowledge we gained will make an important contribution to the protection of animals in tropical forests.